How to make money with Bitcoin in 2022. Buy and hold Bitcoin. If you are wondering how to make money with Bitcoin without putting in too much effort, the buy and hold strategy is among your best option. Buying and holding BTC is one of the most straightforward and beginner friendly way to earn money with cryptocurrency. Here here how to work. Create a Paxful account. You will receive a free Bitcoin wallet upon sign up. To buy Bitcoin with bank transfer or choose from nearly 400 payment option. 3. Hold on to your BTC and wait for speaker in price no matter how long that may take. You could wait a week, month or even year before you decide to sell. That's the beauty of buying and holding. The technical has become so popular. There even an internet there even an internet for it. Hold it start as a typo on fund and become an currency for hold on for their life. If you decide to buy and hold, remainder to hold on the BTC for the life. If you want to systematic approach to holding, way to not dollar costing also as consistent dollar plan. DCA in an approach where you invest the total sum of money in small increment through a specific period instead of airing out of lamp in on go. This is especially useful for investors looking to back particular assets for long way. Earn cashback on credit card purchase. Many payment gained worldwide have also started to dip their topic into the Kaipo waters. Instating this paved the way of many Kaipo users unlock and enjoy few financial opportunity with their Bitcoin while user credit card. Monetize your website monetize your website monetize your website. Another effective way to make money with Bitcoin by monetizing a website. If you are operating a website you don't know where or how begin monetize, you want to take a look the Paxful Bitcoin cost. The Paxful Bitcoin cost is the tool you can use to boost your Bitcoin earning while helping others discover and understand the potential of cryptocurrencies. By setting up the Cosby on your website, if you are helping your customer website visitor Bitcoin simple started and Kaipo. Flexible cost easy to also cashback and allow to customer use nearly payment. Lend factor of Bitcoin. Trade Bitcoin. 6. Play Kypro and blockchain game. 7. Try out the binary trading approach. 8. Start your own dropshipping business. 9. Run a lightning node. 10. Become a master node. The way make money with Bitcoin are overwhelming. Now